agent for training going in sector 443. That's true.
Right. So anywhere there's a big fucking amount of energy using, you got to be accountable for that energy usage. Oh, it's a steel mill, great.
So we're on this exponential curve for intelligence, but then we apply that intelligence to cold fusion. How long is it going to take us to crack cold fusion? You know what I mean?
Well, how long is it going to take the biggest labs to crack cold fusion, and
That's a good thing. That's a good thing because that technology won't be able to stay in bed. There's no way. There's no way. And then once we have cold fusion, it's like, or even like you could even say like some of the fourth gen fission reactors, like we should be doing nuclear in a whole different way. Like we could be energy abundant if we put our minds to it.
Yeah, I think that we took the existing systems we have and we just gave them what we're working on now, and we said AI, apply what we're doing now, make it better.
Optimize 10%.
That's right, 10%, right? It could do that probably.
Yeah,
exactly.
I'm actually not optimistic about like fusion and like new sources of energy. I think like it's going to be predominantly just solar. Like I think it's not even going to be like either or, but I could be wrong. I think like solar is just going to take over the planet in a way that is like other sources of energy are just going to be like a joke. Because like I feel like with solar power and like battery power, it just makes so much more sense than even like figuring out fusion. I just think like that's the path we're headed. But I might be wrong, but I just think it's going to be like solar.
Right. I might be wrong too, but I hope it's not solar. Because solar, like if you were to take solar and the energy density that we need as a human species and then spread it across the area needed to cover, I think we'd be living in a world full of solar panels and not much else. I think it'd be everywhere. I think it'd be ugly.
Like a long,
unless we do them in but I don't doubt like what you're saying, Michael, is that like the sun is this abundant source of energy right there. How do we use it in the way that we don't need to crack cold fusion?
Right. So you're going to say
a
about
legitimate question, but like
you're going to say about putting data servers in space, Elon Musk's venture, right? So that energy source will be much more intense in space,
Right, and you could even build solar collectors in space and and transmit the energy down.
Well, no, you could do the compute in space. You do the compute in space. You're only sending it down latency through the through 400 kilometers.
Yeah.
All right, boys, gotta go. So.
All right,
Michael.
Take
it easy, man.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna head out.
So, what are you up to the rest of the day?
I got some paperwork to do. That's about it. Yeah. It's Friday. Gonna go get some groceries, maybe make a pizza for supper or something.
Nice. Yeah, we're doing a play. Jasper and Jasmine are both in a play, and for some reason, I volunteered to do help backstage, and so I'm doing.
Oh, good. Right on.
Yeah.
Good.
But the Miko project's pretty cool, dude.
I'm so excited about it. Just working on her personality is
the whole project. Does the whole project have a name?
Yeah, it's just Mobile Lab.
Mobile Lab?
Yeah, Mobile Lab, yeah. But yeah, it's just working on that personality is so much fun, right? And so next week I'll have the basic leanest demo for her working. I tried today, but I couldn't get it to run properly, so it'll be ready next week.
And what do you build it? So it's all on Grok Voice? And it
it's on Python. It's on Python. It's a Python program. And we can type. I can type in and ask her a question as a chat bot.
And she outputs
and she just runs on the Python program. Nope, she outputs chat. She chats back.
Okay, so it's chat interface.
It's just a chat in the terminal, basic Python program, no bells, no whistles, bare minimum viable product.
And it's connected to Grok, like the brain of her Grok?
No, it's completely Python. There's no connection to any, zero interference.
So then what are you chatting to her about?